Today's video is about what you should eat if you're suffering from a cold. Right now, we're entering into the cold and flu season. It's currently fall, but in winter, we really see those numbers increase for people catching a cold or a flu. Next time you have a cold, I want you to eat chicken, not fried chicken. I want you to eat steaming hot chicken. So you should boil it perhaps. Boiling it works. Make it steamy hot, okay? You're not going to put it in your mouth that hot though, but I want you to get the temperature up. Boiling is best. And I want you to add to it garlic. I want you to get some fresh garlic and add as much of this as you can stand. Now, fresh garlic is hot. Oh my, it's very, very hot. But garlic works similar to penicillin. If you're allergic to penicillin, you do not have to worry about garlic. Garlic is not penicillin, but it works in the body just like an antibiotic does. So when you have that steaming hot chicken, add as much of these garlic cloves to it as you can and get that in your body. Get as much of that chicken, steaming hot chicken, loaded with fresh garlic cloves. Take the garlic, peel it, crush it, and then chop it up and add it to your steaming hot chicken. Eat this when you have a cold. It'll help you recover faster. I'm Nicole Hart. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.